Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Canva document, how to change background color. I will create new document and we're waiting to create. Now if you want to change the background color, you can click plus icon and choose the sign. Now to open the signs in Canva, then select the paper and will be show the background color option. You can click and you can choose the color, like I will use this color. Click save and the background color will be automatically changed. I will create again a new page. You can click plus icon, go to the sign, select the paper, and then you can click at this icon's background color. Okay, second, I will set into this color, gray, and click save. Background color will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for a basic Canva document tutorial, how to change background color. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.